Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Midu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and friends, as you know, this is Dream IIM series of CAT 11 preparation, in which we are preparing for CAT 11, doing all the topics and discussing concepts of CATs in 75 days and 75 videos. Friends, we are getting a very good response and new subscribers are adding, and we are also getting feedback related to series. Please continue doing so, and we will keep on improving basis your feedback. We have got a good feedback on our mix of theory as well as examples, and definitely we will continue it. Also on some topics which are longish topics, we have already planned multiple videos, and that also will be done. Already in our first 4 videos, my dear friends, as we have seen, we have covered 2 sections. We have introduced LR and DI part of LRDI and VA and RC part of VARC. Today we will start with the third and the most important, one of the most important section, I will say, which is QA or quantitative ability. See, since it is a section alone in itself, not combined with any other section, so you need to have good quant skills so that you can get decent percentile, and this is a section in which some scoring takes place. Reason? In VA and RC, in spite of many studies, your answer might be wrong because there might be 2 very close options. But in case of quantitative ability or maths, if you have calculated an answer, it will be 100% sure. So what I am trying to say is, क्वांट और मैथ्स क्वेश्चन आपने सॉल्व कर लिया, आंसर आया, फॉर श्योर आपको +3 मिल जाएंगे, उसमें कोई डाउट वाली बात नहीं रहती. तो क्वांट के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना जो है आपको गारंटेड मार्क्स दिलवाता है. आपका आंसर निकला, वो ऑप्शंस में है, तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. इन क्वांटिटेटिव एबिलिटी क्वांट जो कैट में आता है, ये उसका एक सिलेबस की आउटलाइन है. बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स आते हैं, मैं एक बार रीड कर देता हूँ. लिस्टेड है नंबर सिस्टम, प्रॉफिट लॉस एंड डिस्काउंट, LCM HCF, स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम, परसेंटेजेस, टाइम एंड वर्क, रेशियो प्रपोर्शन, एवरेजेस, क्वाड्रेटिक लीनियर इक्वेशन, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, सिंपल एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, logarithm, sequence series, inequalities, probability, surd indices, set theory function, permutation combination, mixture alligation, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, geometry, mensuration. So you can see it is a very long list, but then by doing this we are doing 1/3 of the CAT syllabus. We will cover all these topics. On some topics like number system, probability, PNC, coordinate, geometry, we will have multiple videos, and in total we will be having 29 videos. These 29 videos will cover all the concepts of quantitative ability in detail with examples. Let us begin. Today we will start with number system, and like I just told you, this will come in 2 parts. It is a very important question in CAT, and you can expect around 3 to 5 questions definitely. Minimum 2 to 3 questions are definitely there in every year's CAT from number system. We will give you 2 videos, and this will be back to back. So today and tomorrow, next video will be number system 2. In that we will cover all the important concepts, formulas, shortcuts, and some solved examples of number system. Let us begin. So first of all, before beginning what is number system, let us understand the concept of numbers and different types of numbers. So numbers are of certain types, and some of these types are: number 1, natural numbers. Your natural numbers are basically your counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, so on. So numbers through which you can count, those are known as natural numbers. Next is your whole numbers. Whole number is basically 0 plus your natural number. So in natural number, if we add 0 as well, that set is known as whole number. Integers. What are integers? Whole number, natural number. So these 2 plus your negative side. So here numbers will be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Understood, friends? These are integers. Next category which comes is your rational numbers. Rational number means numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q. P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0. These numbers are known as rational, and other than rational number, other numbers, they are known as irrational. So these are basically on the basis of terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-recurring, that we will discuss in some subsequent sections. Real number, rational number plus irrational number. So basically all numbers combined. What remain apart from real number is your complex numbers. Complex number is not in detail in CAT syllabus, and not at all many questions or rarely some question is seen. So this is something which can be avoided and we can focus on real numbers only. And last is prime numbers versus composite number. So what is the concept of prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by only one n itself, that is prime number, and non-prime numbers are known as composite. Okay, so prime is one n itself. So one n itself means, example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, prime numbers divisible by only themselves and 1. These are known as prime numbers. This was all about types of number, my dear friends. Next important concept is concept of divisibility. Many times a question will come where some number will be given, it will be asked what digit should be added to make it completely divisible, or is it divisible or not. So we need to understand the concept of divisibility. Let us understand, discuss it. It is very simple. Starting with 2. One of the easiest way to identify unit place digit, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, number is divisible by 2, otherwise no. So take examples. 43, none of this, so not divisible. 54, yes, so divisible. Very simple. You just need to see the digit at the units place. This is divisibility test of 2. Divisibility test of 3. Sum of all digits is a multiple of 3. So here what we do is, suppose this is a number, add all the digits. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Check if 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, then this number will be divisible by 3. This is the divisibility test of 3. If this is not divisible, suppose if this number would have been 124, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 cannot be divided by 3, so this number is not divided by 3. 4. Number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So understand it. To check the divisibility of 4, what we need to do is, number can be very long. Suppose say this is the number 8, 1, 6, 2, 4. You need not check this complete number. Just check the last 2 digits. These are the last 2 digits. 24. It is divisible by 4. So this complete number will be divisible by 4. Very easy. Just check the last 2 digits. If those are divisible, number is divisible. 5. Very easy. Again very easy. Only last digit 0 or 5. So 10, 15 they are divisible. 14, 9 not divisible. Check the digit at unit place. If it is 0 or 5, then yes, otherwise no. Divisibility test of 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. For 2 and 3 separately, we have seen the divisibility test. So a number to be divisible by 6 should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 7. In 7 what we do is, this is a bit tricky, understand it. Difference between twice the digit at one's place and number formed by other digit is either 0 or multiple of 7. So what is this saying? Okay, suppose this is a number 147. Difference between twice the digit at one's place. Digit at one's place is 7, twice of it 14. Difference between this and remaining, so remaining is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So if this is 0 or multiple of 7, then the number is divisible by 7. This is the divisibility test of 7. Okay. 8. Similar to 4, a bit change. In 4 we were seeing last 2 digits. In 8 we need to see last 3 digits. So again let's take a long number. 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 2. Check this last 3 digits. 462. If this is divisible, is it 462 divided by 8? 8 5s are 40. 62. No, this is not. So this entire number is not divisible. So we just need to check the last 3 digits. Take another number. 4, 1, 5, 0, 1, 6. Last 3 digits divisible. This entire 6-digit number is divisible. So you see how understanding this divisibility test make your work easier. Otherwise this dividing this number in lakh, or if there are another 2 digits, number is in your crore, it will take lot of time. But we need to just check the last digits divisible, entire number is divisible. Okay. 9. So 8 is in a way similar to 4. There we were checking last 2 digit, divisibility by 4. Here we will check last 3 digit, divisibility by 8. In 9, sum of all digit is a multiple of 9. So just like 3, here also we will see all the numbers. Suppose this is the number 1, 3, 6, 8. This is your number. Add all the numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes. So this entire number is divisible by 9. Easy, my dear friends. 10. This is one of the easiest. Just check the last digit. If it is 0, number is divisible, otherwise not divisible. 11. Just like 7, this is also a bit tricky. In this, what we will do is difference between the sum of units of digit in odd places and even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. So suppose it is this is the number given to you. What it is saying? Difference between sum of digit in odd place and even place. So these are your even places, these are your odd places. Sum is 4, sum is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So this is 0, or even if it is multiple of 11, number is divisible by 11. This was the divisibility test of 11. So these are the various divisibility tests, my friends, and more or less in I would say every alternate year of CAT, one question related to divisibility comes. So it is an important topic. Now let us understand the next concept, which is your factor. What is your factor? Factor is a number which divides given number completely. That is known as factor. So example, if I say 24, so what will be the factor? 1, this divides it completely, 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 12, then 24. So basically means any number which is dividing it completely and there is 0 remainder, that is known as factor. Now some of the properties or some important fact related to factor. 1 is factor of every number. Yes, definitely 1 will divide every number. A number is factor of itself. Yes, definitely, because every number will be divided by itself. Smallest factor of given number is 1, greatest is number. So like in 24 we made these factors. Smallest was 1, greatest was 24. Okay. If a number is divided by any of its factor, remainder is always 0. This is the definition of factor. So this was the concept of factors. Now let us move ahead. Number of factors. This is important and many a times question is asked in this CAT. So let us understand this very clearly. If n is any number and it is written in this form, a to the power m, b to the power n, c to the power o. What are a, b, c? A, b, c are prime factors. So one is factor, one is prime factors. Factors which are prime. M and o are positive integers. Then number of factors is given is m plus 1 into n plus 1 to o plus 1. So just understand it. Suppose we are saying 24. Let us take that again. What is 24? 24 is basically your 8 into 3. 8 into 3 means 2 cube into 3. Right? So what it is saying, number of factors will be m plus 1. 3 plus 1. Right? And into n plus 1. Into 1 plus 1. So this is 4 into your 2, which is your 8. Right, my dear friends? Example, find the number of factors of 2 to 4. This is our question. Now let us identify how we will be doing this. So 2 to 4. 1, this is divided by 2, 1, 1, 2. Again by 2, 5, 6. Again by 2, 2, 8. Again by 2, 14. Again by 2, 7. So 2 to 4, as we can see, can be written as 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 7 to the power 1. Any confusion till now? 2 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 1. Okay, so what will be the number of factors? Number of factors, very easy, 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. What is this? 5 plus 1 6 into 1 plus 1 2, so this is 12. So your 2 to 4 will have 12 factors. Very simple, very easy, and you can expect a question in CAT in this, so well be prepared with this formula. Next is concept of multiple. So this is in a way opposite of factor. Factor was something which was dividing. Multiple is number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. So every number is a multiple of 1. It will come in one's table. Smallest multiple is the number itself. Yes. So if you are saying 3, smallest multiple will be 3. Next multiple will be 3 into 1 3. Then next natural number multiply 2. So which is basically known as table of that particular number. We cannot find the greatest multiple of a number. Why? Because natural number goes up to infinity. So you can multiply it infinite times and you will have a new number. Number of multiples are infinite. Again, by same logic. So my dear friends, these were some basic concepts of number. There are some more shortcuts which we will cover in our tomorrow's video. Today, till the time the concept which we have discussed, let us practice some few small questions related to this. What least value must be given to k so that number 39k0 is divisible by 11? So remember the divisibility test of 11. What was that? So first let us write this number 39k0. It was saying we need to add the number at units place, odd numbers and even numbers. Difference should be 0 or 11 multiple. So this is 3 plus k, this is 9, right? Least value we need to tell. How we will get this least value? Just equate this to 3 plus k is equal to 9, k is equal to 3. So in this number, instead of k, if we play k is equal to 6, sorry for the calculation error, k is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 6. So 3960, this becomes divisible. Fine. So as you can see, in number system, if we are clear with concepts, questions are very simple and easily you can score 3 marks for one question, and 3 to 4 questions in number systems are there in CAT exam. Which of the following is divisible by 15? So for 15 divisibility test I have not told you, but apply clear logic. What is 15? 15 is 3 into 5. For 3 we have a test, for 5 we have a test. So if a number will be divisible by 3 and 5, it will be divisible by 15 also. So in these 4 numbers, basically we need to apply the test of 3 and 5. See, 5, 5, 0, 0. All of them satisfy this test. So let me check. Let me write. 5, everyone is satisfying. So differentiator will be 3. What is the divisibility test of 3? Divisibility test of 3 is that the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Let us add the digit. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 5, 24. Okay. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 7, 19 plus 1, 0, 19. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 and 0, 16. So out of all these 4 numbers, 16, 19, 20, 21, the very first number 24 is divisible, so this number is divisible. As simple as that. What is the unit digit in? So now see this. This is a very long number. 476 into 198 into 359 into 242. If you will start solving it, you will get a solution which is this long. It will come in millions, billions. But we need not do that. In such questions, what we need to do is just identify the unit digits and multiply them. Whatever will be the answer, that will be your overall answer. Unit digit is 6, unit digit is 8, unit digit is 9, unit digit is 2. So we basically need to just multiply all of this. And in CAT you will have your online calculator. Do not waste time in such calculations. Always use calculator for it. So what are our digits? 6, 8, 9 and 2. 6 into 8 into 9 into 2, 864. Fine. So what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 4. So your answer is 4, option number C. See, very simple. Otherwise, multiplying these 4 numbers would have taken a lot of time. Just multiplied the unit digit and solved the question. Next example. Find the number of prime factors of 2 to the power 11 into 7 to the power 5 into 11 to the power 6. Such a big number. But we have a very small formula, very simple formula. What is the formula? Just need to add the powers and multiply that. Very simple. So it will be this plus this, and you will get the answer. Answer will be your 22. In case of any confusion, let me know. So my dear friends, these were some simple topics, some simple examples through which we discussed the concepts of numbers, understood various types of number, divisibility test, factors and multiples. In our next video, which will be on number systems only, I will be continuing this, telling you some more shortcuts, some questions on your summations and other type which is normally asked in CAT. In case you have any confusion, my dear friends, please let me know. You can write to our Meedu team on meedu.study@gmail.com, or you can also write in the comment section. We will address your query and make the changes accordingly. You are liking our content, then please like it, share it and subscribe our channel Meedu Study. Thank you friends, take care, have a very good day.